What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can make upwards of $100 per day or even more with these concepts that I have found online. And all these, like I said, are going to be online. But before we dive into what they are, let's kind of figure out what the different sources of income are. So there's two sources. The first one is active income. Now this is when you work a job and you get paid with your time. And then there's this other source of income called passive income. Now this is when you have a product and all you have to do is maintain it or promote it, and you don't have to actively work on it, and you get paid pretty much by how hard you work in the beginning and how good your product is. And you just don't get paid for your time. It's just a little better. That's my personal favorite. Alright, so the very first one is a YouTube channel. Now this is a very common one that you will find. YouTubers get paid anywhere from, $1 a day to hundreds of thousands of dollars per day. Okay, how could you make this much money all on YouTube? Well, first you get paid by ads. Now, YouTube has a lot of new programs that they just started out where you have to have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours watched. And all you got to do is just keep putting videos out there and you'll eventually hit that mark. But how can you make upwards of hundreds of thousands of dollars per day? Well, companies will pay the influencer, so the person who's on the video camera, they will pay them to promote a product. These are called sponsored videos, and they pay very, very well. That's how a majority of YouTubers make a lot of money. And then there is another way. This is with affiliate. So when you have a product, let's say if I was selling this phone right here, I could say, okay, go check it out in the link down below, and I will link it with an Amazon account. So when that person clicks on that link, you get a certain percentage of what they sell. I believe it's anywhere from 5 to 10% on the person's purchase. So that's a very good first way to start getting the ball rolling. All right, the second way you guys can make upwards of $100 per day, there are websites such as Fiverr and Upwork where they will pay people to do work for them. And this is anywhere from social media marketing to SEO to anything. I've made some money off it, and I did, what did I do? I did a fitness thing because I was really into working out back in the day. So I put a thing up that said I will give you a list of workouts to do, how to do them, and a nutrient routine. And I made $100 for a long time. It wasn't a day, but it was about $100 a week, which was fantastic, especially when you're 16 or 17 years old. You can definitely make a pretty good income off these sites. All right, so the third way, this is going to be the final way that I am going to talk about. There are hundreds of opportunities out there on there, but these are the ones that I personally use and I have experience with. So along that side of Amazon affiliate, where you can have that person click the link on YouTube, there are other opportunities. There's Amazon Merch, which is a site where companies outsource different types of work for people to do, and you can make upwards of $20 or $30 an hour just by doing it. I'll link that down below for you guys. It's a very fun way and it's pretty easy. I have done it when I was super broke and I didn't have a job, but I'm doing a lot better now. But so that is one way, and they do things such as audio recordings, just stuff like that, different odd things, finding stuff in pictures. It's just different things. It's kind of weird starting out, but you definitely get used to it. And then the third, or the other thing off Amazon, this is going to be the last thing I'm going to be talking about. Now, on Amazon, you can do self-publishing books. If you are a writer or have a creative imagination, you can go on Amazon self-publishing and you can upload a book and they will publish it for you. Pretty much no down payment, and all you have to do is make a book or like write it out, you know, and then make a cover. It's super, super easy. You know, I have made upwards of $400 or $500 per month, 100% from Amazon. And it's just a really great way to make a little side income. Now, all of these you are going to have to put some time into, but in the long run, if you look down 6 months or a year from now, you can make upwards of, you know, $1,000 a month on some of these if you start, you know, getting the ball rolling soon, because it all takes time to build up, and it's super easy, it's fun. And if you guys checked out my other video, I talked about how the average millionaire has, you know, 6 or 7 sources of income, and all of those are passive income, which the millionaire has. And that is a good way to start getting that ball rolling, writing books, making YouTube videos. And, you know, imagine your life with an extra $1,000 a month. And, you know, that's a car payment. That's a house payment. And you could do that just by buying a camera or shooting on your iPhone, or, you know, taking an hour a day and writing a book. And, you know, that book can generate income for months and months and months and months and months. And all you have to do is just promote it. So it's super easy. That's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm starting to get a little scratchy throat here from talking, but that's it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, guys.